What's up guys, it's SerenityyDoll and I am back today with another video and I'm super excited. Today is the day that I am going to, I already unboxed it, but I'm going to review the new LUX DE VILLE'S collection, and if you don't follow them, which you should, basically it's a more of a retro rockabilly pinup girl style. They make purses and it is like super cute purses. A lot of the purses that they make there are all based on old-fashioned cars, most of them at least, and that's what they're known for. They have really cute purses, wallets, they have like little keychains too that they just came out with not too long ago, and they recently came out with one of their newest lines that I pre-ordered I don't know if it was in January. I want to say like the end of January or the beginning of January, I don't know, but I pre-ordered it and it shipped out. It was supposed to be shipped out on February 4th, but I got it like a couple of days ago, maybe like 2-3 days ago. And it took me like 2 days to open it because I was trying to like do an unboxing on here, but I got super excited, so I didn't unbox it on here. But nonetheless, it is still fresh. So we are going to get started with all this. So I'm going to show you, okay, I'm going to show you this one really quick. This is the one that I really was like, no they didn't. Like, no they did not. This is one of the newest ones that they came out with. This is what it looks like. Okay. So pretty much their whole idea for it was to kind of make it a little bit like tiki inspired. They have this bamboo handle. Sorry, I still kind of have it wrapped, but it's a black bamboo handle right there. Very well detailed and well carved, very nice. And it has like this cute little like, I guess like lock twist or whatever, and this is also bamboo. You see that? It's like, yeah, so I thought that was really cute. And so you open it and like it has like the little longer strap so you can make it longer, and oh my god, okay, and inside it is leopard, like black leopard, and it has an compartment for your like your phone, and like, you know, other little thing right here, and then it has a zipper inside so you can put stuff in there. So it's really roomy, like you can put stuff in here, and I like it. Like it's really nice inside. Like it's not too compact either, because I don't like it like some purses to be too compact, especially if they're shaped like this. They should have enough room but not feel like too crazy. In the back they have their logo. I should probably take this off. Okay, so it is their LUX DE VILLE'S logo right here. LUX DE VILLE'S, and it's all leopard on the front. It's like that fuzzy material, so you can feel it. It feels really soft, feels really nice. The back is all leathered. It's a really beautiful purse. It's just perfect by the pool, you know, if you just want to be cute and lay on the beach, or lay on the side, I'm sorry, and then just have it like right next to you and just be like, oh hi, did you see my purse? Like, I look cute, huh? Like, but I'm sorry guys, I'm just really excited, but this is just all the ideas that I'm having in my head. And yeah, so this is one of the purses. Anything that I dislike about this purse? Not really, to be honest, you know, or anything that I'm not too crazy for. I like it all. They did really good. They were right on the money with this one. I really like this one really well. Oh, this purse ranges, I think it was, I don't even know how much this purse was. I completely forgot. I think it was like 98 or something like that. Hold on. Okay, so this purse is $90, okay? $90, and then I did get free shipping because I think it was like over 100 or I don't know what. They have to get free shipping, but I really don't know how much it has to be over, but it is $90, but it is well worth it because I spend way more on other purses that were maybe not as good as LUX DE VILLE'S, but that's just me. And yeah, really quick though, because I do want to get I do want to show you guys like what it looks like before I show you the other one. So basically it just like clips on the side like this. Oh my god. Okay, and then it has like this. I mean, you can make it longer or shorter. I think this is a pretty good way, but it just has it like that. And then, okay, so let's put this over here. So So you can make this longer, definitely, but let me just kind of back this up a little bit. Oh. Okay, so it looks like that. Some people may not like how big this may be for some, but I think the sizing is perfect. I really like big purses and I think it's good for like this. So looks like that. You can have it like this on the side, like that. Cute, really cute. How I would wear this purse personally, I would wear it just like holding it by the handle to be like, oh, look at my purse, because you can't miss it. It's always in my hand 24/7. But I would wear it like that. I think if I were to get tired of putting my hand, I'd put the strap on afterwards. But I think I would definitely wear it more as the handle. But I do think that this is a very cute look. I'd probably make it a little longer too, but I think this is very cute. So I like it like that. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. So that's that purse. Good job, Lux De Ville. Really happy. You're making me broke. You're welcome. Okay, so showing the second purse that I bought. This is also from their newest collection. This is the Elvira coffin backpack slash like side purse. Right from the get-go, this quilt, like, slay my life. This is just like amazing, okay? And like the texture of it is just like really, it's like really good quality. Like, it's not cheapy, it doesn't feel like it's gonna rip or anything like that. And in the back, of course, since the Elvira collection, it says Elvira right here on the back of it. Cute, cute, cute. So on the side it has the red right here. It's very sparkly and glittery, which I was like, yes, because they also have this in like a leopard side, and I think like a solid, I don't know if they have it in purple, I could be wrong, but the red one, I was like red, black, coffin, has my name all over it. So it also comes with these straps, which I had already taken out. So sorry. So I took that out, and the inside, this is the one thing that I kind of don't like about this bag. This is not me bashing Lux De Ville. I promise you, it's not me saying like, oh, Lux De Ville this and you could do better. It's not that. It's honestly just like my honest opinion. I'm sure they would appreciate people's honest opinion because that's the feedback for the purses, you know? But I know what concept they were going for, so I wasn't really too mad about it. I'm still keeping it. I still love it, so it's like not crazy. But the one thing I can say that I kind of dislike about this bag right here is the width. I want, or like how wide the zipper opens. So the zipper only reaches to right here, because they're trying to still, well, what I'm assuming is they're trying to still keep this like to be squared and very coffin-like. If they have it too low, it might just like watch open and not keep its shape, because they're trying to still keep its shape. So if they were to have the zipper down here, it would kind of be fat on the sides and wouldn't keep its shape. So that's what I'm assuming why they make the zipper so short. To put stuff in here, it's not a mission, but it is definitely compact. Definitely compact. There's room inside. There's not that there's no room inside. There is room inside. It's just really long. So I can't really show you too much because of how far it'll let me go. But they do have like a little pocket for your purse, and they have a little mini zipper in here. So it's about the same as the leopard one. They have the same zipper, and they have one little pocket in here, not two, just one, because the leopard print has two pockets. And inside it is still black leopard print, as the other one was. So that's the only downside about this purse. Other than that, I love it. That's about it. Like, I love it. I'm gonna show you how to wear it with the backpack, and then I know they demonstrated it on the Lux De Ville website. Let me see. Ooh. They demonstrated it on the Lux De Ville website, and they showed you how to wear it like on the side as well, like a longer purse. So, okay. So I'm gonna back up again. Okay. And so this is how you kind of connect it. It has a connection on the top right here. Oops, sorry. So right here to put both of these, and then one connection on each side on the bottom. Okay, so that makes your backpack, and they're very easy clippable little snap-ons or clip-ons. And you pretty much are just going to put this around, oop, my pants. And this is how it looks. Okay, it looks very cute on. So it looks like that. You can see the red side when I turn, like so. And you can just swap it around like this, and then like this. But what I'm also thinking is that the more that you open, the more like less hard it'll be to go and reach in for your stuff, because of course it's gonna adjust and it's gonna maybe stretch a little bit because you're using it. So you gotta break it in like a pair of shoes. And that's why I'm not like, oh my god, it's I'm gonna take it back, because I know you can like break it in. To wear it sideways, I don't know if I'm doing it right. I could be doing it wrong, but I think it's just like this. But the thing about that, if it's just one strap, it goes down like that. So I don't know, like, okay, let's see. Let's just see. Obviously it'll need to be longer. I'm not like, I have to, oh my god, I have to fix the strap for it and adjust it. So let me do this really quick. Okay, so I got it this long, but I'm assuming that it goes like that. But you have to wear it like a satchel, kind of, like crisscrossed. So it's like that. Because if you just wear it like this, it goes down. Like, I don't know if you can see what I'm talking about. See how it kind of goes like that? So it's kind of just hanging down, but nonetheless, it's still really cute. But to keep it kind of like how you would want to keep it, it would be best to just kind of crisscross it like that. And then you can see the coffin when you walk, which I still think is totally adorable. So, but I honestly, me personally, I would wear it more as a backpack, because I feel like it just shows the whole body of it more. And I think it just looks way cuter. But either way, it's versatile, so I love it. But yeah. Ooh, okay. So that is all the purses that I got. Super excited, love the line. You guys should definitely check it out. I'll have their link down below so you guys could click on their website and see all of their other selection of purses. I'm very happy with the outcome. I'm very happy how everything came. I was waiting for them to do a coffin purse. Like, I was waiting. I was like, they were doing little like teases on like their Instagram, and they're like, oh, tease, and then you would see like a coffin shape, and I was like, no, they're not. Like, no, they're not. And they did. So I'm super excited that they did this. They also have this in a mini version. It's just kind of just like a handbag. Like, it's very small though, but I love bigger purses. So I say that that has a bigger zipper, and that is a little bit more wider, and it just opens like that. But it's definitely smaller. So it's definitely just kind of like a little mini handbag. But if you guys like minier ones, I say definitely go along with that one. But like I said, I love bigger purses, so of course I grabbed the biggest coffin because I wanted to like show. So this one retails for $80, which is $10 less than the Leopard one. But it's still, like I said, it's really affordable in my opinion, because there's a lot of the purses that are way more expensive, and this is really good quality, so what you're getting is good. They're already now available to order, so if you order it, you'll get it a little bit quicker, but I just had to pre-order it because I wanted to make sure that I had like a hand on these babies before they sold out, and yeah. But yeah, so that is it for this video, this review, this semi-unboxing that I already unboxed before I even showed you guys that I unboxed it. But yeah. Shout out to Lux De Ville for just making these awesome purses and being like super awesome, because they're just rad as hell. And yeah, I can't wait to wear these out and take them out to places and just take a bunch of photos and just be a selfie person and be like, hey. But thank you guys for watching, and click subscribe and that like button so I can keep making more videos, and like, let's just become a family. So yeah, all right guys, thank you again for watching. Have a great and beautiful day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.